Hello guys, you can make this amazing presentation using morph transition. So if you like this particular presentation and if you want to do it from the scratch, just please watch this video continuously and we'll go step by step. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Alright, let's move forward. Alright, let's open the blank slide and go to format background and select the picture for the slide. Now we have to create 8 slides with 8 different pictures, so we are duplicating and changing the picture for 8 different slides. Here we go. You can download these pictures from Google as well, or any other website which is familiar to you. Make sure that the images are related to the topic with which you create the PowerPoint presentation, and you're done. Alright. Now enter the text and adjust it in the slide. Now copy the particular text and place it in the second slide in the top. Here we go. Now go to slide number 3 and place the title outside so that you can apply the morph transition and see the effects. Alright. Now going to second slide, create the description which you need, and for this you can use certain shapes. Create certain shapes that you want and type in the text or the description which is relevant to the slide. Once again, add suitable gradients which you need and place the relevant content into the shape and make sure that the text has a suitable color which is relevant to the shape and slide as well. Now group both of them. Now here we are creating 2 shapes because we have the limited amount of content for representing in 2 shapes as well. So again, follow the same process and you are done. Alright, now copy both of them and go to slide 1 and paste it and keep it down the slide and make sure that both of them are outside. Now again go to slide 3 and place both of them in the top. Here we go. Alright, now enter the title which is needed for slide 3 as well and create 4 rounded rectangles. Here we have created one and duplicated 4 of them and add relevant color and text as well. So as this. Alright. Now copy both of them and paste it in slide 2 and make sure to keep it in the bottom outside the slide. Alright. Now copy once again and place it in slide 4 and just keep the title outside and expand yes. Now once again paste it in slide 5 and expand W. Alright, be careful while expanding because we need to expand only the shape, not the text. So here's how we could do it comfortably. Now once again expand O in slide 6 and T in slide 7.
We are forever learning, one step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side. We'll keep the fire burning. I'll never
Paste the content carefully into the shape as well. Alright. Actually 7 slides is enough for this particular presentation. So we have removed the 8th one. So we can remove the slide at the last as well. Alright, now apply the morph transition for slide 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here we go. Alright, let's check how it is. Amazing. So this is how you could make the slide, and make sure to watch the tutorial once again if you have any doubts. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and for more such tutorials make sure to subscribe and give recommendations in the comment box. Thank you very much and bye bye.